You are watching little English stars. You are watching little English stars.
Good morning. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Comb your hair. Eat your breakfast. Close the door. Turn off the light. Let's go to school. I love my family. Please help me. May I come in? Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. Please sit down. I need a pencil. Open your book. Let's read together. I don't understand. Can you help me? Thank you, teacher. Let's play together. It's my turn. Don't run too fast. Throw the ball. Catch it. Good job. I like this game. Let's try again. You did it. Let's play outside. I am hungry. Let's eat. The food is tasty. I like apples. I don't like spicy food. Please give me water. I am full. Thank you for the food. Can I have more, please? Let's clean the table. Let's clean the room. Pick up your toys. Fold your clothes. Keep your shoes here. Don't make a mess. Help your mom. Water the plants. Feed the dog. Put it in the dustbin. Well done. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I am sleepy. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am angry. I am excited. I am scared. I am fine. Let's go for a walk. Wear your shoes. Bring your bag. Hold my hand. Let's cross the road. Look both ways. Wait for me. Don't run. We reach home. Let's go shopping. It's sunny today. It's rainy. It's cold outside. It's very hot. It's windy today. Look at the rainbow. The sky is blue. I see clouds. It's snowing. Take your umbrella. Take a bath. Change your clothes. Brush your teeth. Go to bed. Good night, Mom. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. I am sleepy. Turn off the light. Good night, Dad. What is your name? My name is. How are you? I am good, thank you. What is this? This is my toy. I like drawing. Let's sing a song. Please wait a minute. See you tomorrow.